Okay, good afternoon. VintageMotorcycles.nl from the Netherlands. We have a nice lineup of two-strokes, all Suzuki GTs. Starting with the GT125. The light, the ram air. We're going to take off this rack, but we didn't have time yet. It's very nice, little GT125. Then we have the GT250, 1973 model. In beautiful color. And this is the original paint. Very nice original bike. Then we have the GT250 X7 1979. Very fast bike. 100 miles an hour. Light and fast. Very good condition with original exhaust on it. Smells good. And then this beautiful Suzuki GT380 1972 with the drum brake. And the sound is immediately different. I love this one. Original seat. Very good condition. Beautiful color. Then the GT550 1975 model in green. Beautiful bike. And completely different sound. .279 kilometers after engine rebuild. Okay, and then we have, last but not least, this beautiful GT750 72 model. Completely original paint, first paint, exhaust. Only we can start it now because we have no battery left, but it runs perfect. 22,493 miles. Original, beautiful bike. So if you are interested in one of the GTs, we have some. We have another GT380 upstairs, 1973 model in orange, and we also have another one coming in blue with the black side panels for 1977 coming in, also in top condition. So the 250 X7, the 250. Same color like the 380, nice pair, and the little one, the GT125, just arrived. So if you want to know more, visit the website VintageMotorcycles.nl. If you make an account, you can see all prices, and you can call us for more information. Have a video call, can visit us. We are located in the Netherlands in the south, and we ship worldwide. We can do that for interesting prices. For UK, we can also take care of customs, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you like the video, please follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, Vintage Motorcycles, or visit us on our socials, Vintage Motorcycles, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And as you can see, we have many more inside. And nice visitors here. Top. Okay, thank you for watching again. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.